Okay, today is February 8th, 2023. This is my flip phone. It's got a lot of stuff on it. I'm trying to go to my YouTube, and it says that I don't have a connection. However, I go here to my settings. It shows I'm connected, but there's this T-Mobile wingman. I don't know who that is, but it will not let me get rid of this. Like, watch, I'll forget my internet. I'll forget my network. And I can't, it won't allow me in any way, shape, or form to delete whoever this T-Mobile wingman is on my Wi-Fi or off my internet. I can't get this person off my phone at all. Like, I've seen them on there before. I was able to get rid of it one time. And I don't know how to do it again. So now I'm going to go back here to mobile and data. It says automatic. Oh yeah, I also need somebody to see this. If I go to automatic and I turn it off, okay, it'll show carriers. Now I want to stay home. AT&T 313100 311490, another T-Mobile. So I'm going to try to hook up to AT&T, and it won't let me. So then I'll try this one, which is when I look in my like the disc rights and stuff, this is the one they'll have me set on is 311490 or 313100. And try to hook up to any of these. It's not going to work, so I'm going to go back to carrier. It's going to search again. Alright, it's going to have Verizon, AT&T, Roam, which it'll usually let me hook up to Verizon. Well, it's not letting me this time. Let's see if it does it this time. Yep, it lets me connect to Verizon. Won't let me hook up to anything else. And usually it only lets me stay on home, and I don't even know what the hell home is.